पर्सनल हाइजीन सबके लिए इंपॉर्टेंट होना चाहिए, इर्रेस्पेक्टिव ऑफ जेंडर। आखिर किसको यहाँ बुरा दिखना है, बुरा स्मेल करना है, एक बैड इंप्रेशन बनाना है और मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली एक अनहेल्दी लाइफ जीना है। पर लड़कों और लड़कियों की बायोलॉजी बहुत डिफरेंट होती है, तो ऑब्वियसली हमारा डेली हाइजीन रूटीन भी अलग होना चाहिए और फीमेल्स नीड टू टेक स्पेशल केयर ऑफ देयर पर्सनल हाइजीन overall, because keeping a good personal hygiene is the best way you can protect yourself and your family from many illness. But what exactly are the steps a female has to follow to maintain a good personal hygiene? In this video, we will tell you full body personal hygiene tips that a woman should follow. So let's get started. Menstrual care can be a taboo issue in society, but it's also very crucial when it comes to overall women's hygiene and health. I think we all can agree that periods are the most discomforting and difficult time for a woman. And yahi time pe we have to be more conscious about our personal hygiene. Good menstrual cycle से आप vaginal infections prevent कर सकते हो, जो कि बहुत ही सीरियस इश्यू में बदल सकते हैं, जैसे कि इनफर्टिलिटी एंड बर्थिंग कॉम्प्लिकेशंस। सो अब ये सब अवॉइड करना है तो मेंस्ट्रुअल हाइजीन कैसे फॉलो करें? तो पहले तो एक बेसिक थिंग है कि आप अपने प्राइवेट पार्ट्स को दिन में 2-3 बार क्लीन करें विद क्लीन वाटर। ऑल्सो डोंट यूज हार्ड सोप्स, strong cleaners or fragrant products near your vaginal area, because this area is really delicate as compared to the rest of the body and has a different pH level as well. So इन products के chemical से serious infections हो सकते हैं। So mild female washes का इस्तेमाल करें twice a day, but be sure not to use it excessively as well. One should also keep changing sanitary pads, tampons and innerwears often to give yourself comfort, and also don't forget to sterilize menstrual cups if you're using them. All of this will ensure that you follow proper menstrual hygiene. There is, however, another extension to this, which is following good urinal habits and hygiene to protect yourself from UTIs, that is urinary tract infection, that can eventually lead to kidney infections. Urination से आप अपने body से waste निकाल रहे हो, and if you urinate regularly, it can reduce your risk of UTIs and other infections. To urinate frequently, you should have plenty of water. If you're going to public restrooms, make sure to sterilize the seat, and you should also urinate before and after sex, as it would remove the bacteria that might have been introduced during sex. अब ये तो बात हो गई about personal hygiene of your private parts, but there are also other basic yet important hygiene routines that every woman should follow, like taking a bath daily. We know, बहुत ही obvious suggestion है, पर इसमें भी कुछ do's and don'ts है जो आपको follow करने चाहिए, जैसे कि you should only exfoliate once a week and not daily. Use a soft towel, and you should also replace the towel that you use every day. Use hair removal creams, razors or waxing to remove the hair from your body, especially armpit hairs, because आपका sweat और bacteria वहाँ पे normally accumulate हो जाते हैं. Change your razors at regular intervals to avoid infections as well. Also, oral care is very important. Do you want to talk to someone who has bad breath all the time? No, right? तो अगर आपकी breath bad होगी तो कोई आपसे क्यों बात करना चाहेगा, right? So, for a good and confident smile with no bad breath, make sure to brush your teeth daily for more than 2 minutes at least. दिन में 2 बार, सुबह और रात को. इससे your teeth will be safe from dental cavities and infections. Also, start dental flossing to remove the food that is stuck in your teeth. Makeup hygiene should also not be neglected. अब आप सोच रहे होंगे makeup hygiene? Yes. आपके brushes और blenders can contain bacteria in them, which can lead to acne breakouts. So, इससे आप कैसे avoid कर सकते हो? By cleaning your beauty blenders, brushes, eyebrow liners and makeup sponges. Well, now last but certainly not the least is taking care of your hair. आखिरकार बाल तो हमारे सर का ताज है. But our diet, the exposure to the environment, bathing with hard water and many such other factors can damage your hair. सो हर 2-3 दिन में शैम्पू करने से आपके बालों में से डर्ट निकल जाएगा एंड देन कंबाइन इट विद अ कंडीशनर दैट सूट्स योर हेयर टाइप एंड इट विल स्टॉप हेयर ब्रेकेज. So regularly taking care of your hair is very important in your daily hygiene routine. And here at Traya, we know that best. That's why we have blended the magic of 3 sciences of Ayurveda, dermatology and nutrition to make sure you can take care of not only your hair but your overall health. From gut shuddhi that clears your stomach problems such as indigestions, flatulence, etc. and health tattva for absorption of nutrients and energy to defense shampoos and hair oils, Traya looks at health as a whole and provides holistic treatments that fights the root cause of your hair loss while improving your health as well. So this was our video for full body personal hygiene care for women. Follow the tips in this video to maintain a good healthy lifestyle, and also don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to Traya Health for more videos like this.